Hi, my name is Gabriel with Hurricane. This is Dorian, my right hand, and we're gonna get ready to do a dryer vent cleaning. So we're gonna show you the steps how to do it. So first we grab the brush. We're gonna rotate it to the pipe. So as we see, we have debris. Ready? All right, go ahead. We're good. So you notice as we spin it, we make sure we break all the debris that is stuck in the pipe. Sometimes it's bird nest. So this is how you do it. That's it. The rest could be done by hand as well. So you all set? Cover back. And that's